Hi guys, welcome to my channel for another video. If you have not seen my previous video, so please check the description and click on the link to see the video. Hi friends, here I'm with another exciting video. In our previous video, we did able to build this page which allow user to download data as PDF, also download Excel file also, and then user can print data from this data table also. You can see here, and user can also sort data by using this sort functionality over here. If user want to sort by price, they also can sort by price from here. You can also increase the size of the data that you want to display. You can see you can have 10 data per page, or 50 or 100 data per page. And here you can see you can go to next page, right? If next page is not available, this is disabled, and you can click on previous page to come to previous page. So if you have not seen my previous video, please do watch those video. It will make you understand more what we are going to do in our upcoming video. So in this video, we'll go ahead and implement dashboard. So when user click on dashboard, it will load total count of the orders with the order status. Let's say if we have two cancelled order for last month with this cancel status, so in the dashboard it will show count of the status, because we can see it is two, so it will show two cancel orders. So for completed, we also will see the count. So we're going to see a count for each order status for previous month. So let's go ahead and stop here. I'll go to order controller. Here our order controller, and here I'll create a function name, name dashboard. Let's copy and paste this, change this to dashboard. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and get all the data for the last 60 days, and then we'll go ahead and select data with the status. So friends, here what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and remove this line. Okay, and then also remove all from here. I'll go ahead and type here order star order status info equal to underscore db dot order headers dot where u dot date of order greater than equal to date time dot now dot add days. That should be -60, and here u dot date of order less than equal to date time dot now dot to list. So here what we did, we are getting all the data for last 60 days from today's date. Okay, and storing it here. Now what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and get data here with the each status. Let me show you what I mean. So I type bar here, I type here viewag dot shift equal to order status dot info, where u goes to u dot order status equal. So let me go to open utility folder right here, and we do have a update order status.css class. So here I'll get this line here. So this is called utility update order status shift. So I'll put utility dot update order status dot shift dot to list. Okay, And now here I'll again type, I'll copy this, not typing, paste it here, change this to cancel, and here type order status cancel right there. Again here paste it, here type completed, then change this to order status completed, and here you do another paste, put it pending, and change this to pending. Now we do have a order with the status, so all the orders that have shipped status, it should be stored here. All the order that have cancel status, it should be here. So we just separated them by the status. So let's do now, click on return. We are not returning anything there, so let's just return the view. I'll go ahead and add view here. So let's click on add view, click on add here, type dashboard, enter. So friends, what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and copy the code and paste it here to save our time. Okay, so here you can see we did just paste the code. So now you can see it said the order status. So we have a one div over here, and under this div we have four other divs. Okay, so these divs you can see here, this is for new order, right? And then this is for order shipped, and this is for order completed. So if you have seen my previous video, you would able to understand what all this bootstrap class mean. I'm not going to explain here, but do see my previous video to understand all this class mean. So here we do have a header tag. So friends, here we did add viewback.pending, right? So we need to count all the order with the pending status. So let me go back to my order controller again. So here you do see I put a to list. Actually it should not be to list, it should be count. Okay, so here you do dot count. Okay, and do change for all this here. All right, now we are storing the count for pending, completed, and then cancel status in the viewback. So when we are calling on our dashboard, this viewback, so it will only show the count. Okay, so let me save it, run this project. So you do see we run this project, but actually we do not see the dashboard icon on navbar. So let's go ahead and add it. So I'll go open our layout page, which is open over here. If you see my previous video, you know where to go and open layout page. So let's go down here. I'll go ahead and copy this list, right? And then put it here. Let's change this to dashboard, okay? Because we have a function named dashboard under order controller. Keep the name dashboard here. So save file. Let's go to our page here. Let's do refresh. So friends, now you do see we have a icon here, dashboard. But you do see we have so many icon on the navbar. So we will hide few icon here depending on the roles. Because if user is admin, then they will able to see all the icons on the navbar. If user is not admin, they only will able to see home icon and then the order history icon. Okay, so we'll do it later video, but let's first fix this dashboard. So I'll go ahead and click this dashboard. Before I do it, I'll go put a open a controller, and then we'll have a debug point to see if it did hit here once I click on dashboard. So you see it is asking for my username and password. So let me put in my username and password. All right, so I logged into the system, and now it is hitting my debug point. I'll go click on continue. So friends, now you able to see this dashboard here. So it said there are total 0 new order, there are total 1 order with shipped status, and then there are total 3 orders completed, and there are only 2 order with the refund. So to verify it, we'll go ahead and open our order history. Let's see if it is canceled. Okay, so something is wrong. You can see we have total cancel order should be 4, 1 2 3 4, right? So let me see here. I'll put a debug again. So let's do click on cancel, continue. So I would see a total 6 order over here. Okay, so I think date of shipped. You see the mistake over here? It shouldn't be date of ship. It should be date of order. Okay, so now you stop again and then run it. Submit. Okay, now you do see we have new 6 orders. 1 order has been shipped, and then 3 order has been completed, and there are 4 orders have refunded. So friends, let's go ahead and click on order history again, right? So I'll go and click in process. So friends, you can see here, we do have 5 orders with in process status, but those orders count is not in our dashboard. So we will go ahead and also add that count and display on our dashboard. So to do that, what I'll do, I'll go ahead and copy this line over here and then paste it here. All right, and then change this to in process. We will do have another box right to it, right? And then we'll display the same amount as it is displaying over here because we have in send the data to in process. Okay, so let me go ahead and click save and do refresh. Now you do see we have another box over here with the same information because we just copy this and then paste it here and change only to in process. So what we have to do to get the in process data, we need to go back to our order controller here, and then here I'll make it bigger. I'll do copy this line here and paste it here. Then here I'll change to order status in process. Okay, and then change this to in process. Okay, and copy this, go back to our dashboard CSTML and change here to in process. Okay, and click save. So what happened, friends, since we did change in the controller, we need to go ahead and stop the project again and rerun it. But we'll go ahead and also test if our dashboard is dynamically changing the data depending on user interaction. So let's go ahead and stop it, run it again. So now you can see here there are total 5 orders with in process status. So let me change the color of it, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to dashboard.cshtml, make it bigger, type background color, change this to blue, and here you do see set busy success. Remove this line, then click on save, refresh. So now you do see that background color got changed to blue. So these are the count status for each order status, right? So now let's go ahead and change in process status to shipped. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click this and let's select in process. So here you can see we have a 5 orders with in process status. So we'll go ahead and change one of that to shipped. So let's go ahead and select this one, and now we on our detail page. So here you can see we can update our orders to shipped from in process status. So we need to provide carrier and then the tracking number. Let's go ahead and click on update to shipped and then click on continue here. And now you do see we do have updated status for this order. And let's go back to our dashboard to see if we have the right count for each orders. We did have 5 orders with in process status, but now it is 4 because we changed a status to shipped, and now you do see we have updated count. So our dashboard is working dynamically. So friends, in our next video we will go ahead and implement chart functionality here, so then user can see weekly sales chart on the left hand side over here, and in the right hand side we will show a chart that will display popular items was bought by the user. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial. Please do share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.